Oh, I'm so goddamn sick and tired of hearing this stuff.
Operation Shield is what it's called. Chairman San Martello explains how it works. But for the new day.
And they had TV screwed up all day.
Yes, horseshoe-shaped head table over there, and tables of 12 throughout the rest of the room. And here is
No, I didn't. It's a... See, they still got part of it screwed up.
I won't be there yet, but I'll tell them to give you a little sample.
I can't. Quarterly earnings come in tomorrow.
You turn it down a notch or two, though.
I trust your taste in music.
Okay, I'll drop by and come and dance listen then.
Wonderful. Moving on. We have to fix the boss. I have 7 shades of blue for you to choose from.
7 shades of blue.
If it gets warm in here, let me know. I can open up some more windows and stuff. Are you kidding about 7 steps? You get that breeze from the front door. Did you stop and get a burger on your way home? On your way down here?
We got pizza next week.
Oh, you got pizza.
Well, they have the Burger King in there, but
Well, I didn't know what you want. I got ham, cheese, turkey. I got lettuce. I got hoagie rolls because they had no Kaiser rolls. I don't know what's going on with Publix. There's chips there. I have no dip. I have only 1 package of ranch dressing. I don't even have a bottle of dressing. But there's oh, Bradley, that top one with the red on, give it to your mother. Behind you on top of the dry wash machine.
Okay, just a second.
All right. You know, it's catch as catch can. If I'd have known this, I'd have taken the spaghetti and meatballs out of the freezer.
I figured you were tracking us.
I was tracking you, but I didn't know what you wanted. I gotta know what people want ahead of time. There's milk, there's chocolate milk. There's 2 regular Pepsis.
Sounds like we haven't been here before.
I know.